guys, it's Megs here, otherwise known as the Megs Cahill, and today I am with my best friend Aimee. Hi. That noise should like boom. Alright, anyways, today we're going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge, but not your average 5-minute makeup challenge. We're going to be doing a 5-minute Halloween makeup challenge. So
hashtag spooky season.
Spooky season. Anyways, me and Aimee just did a video on her channel of a 5-minute makeup challenge, but we did like a glam makeup challenge. Watch it to see who won.
Who knows?
Yeah. So anyways, so I decided let's do that challenge on my channel, but let's make it Halloween. So we really didn't realize like how fast 5 minutes is. There's like 5 minutes is like
long gone.
No time. So we're gonna try to do a 5-minute makeup challenge today of a Halloween makeup. So this should be interesting.
100%.
We have our makeup in front of us. I think I'm gonna try to do a bunny.
I'm gonna do a deer.
So we're gonna see if we can do this in 5 minutes. So do you wanna do the timer on your phone?
Yes.
Oh, what am I gonna do eyes wise?
Girl, I don't know. Mind your business. Don't ask me for help.
Alright, so anyways, but we do have foundation on and brows because we want to like give this a shot of possibly working for 5 minutes. So
this is like your average, like you got off of work and you have 5 minutes to make it to the Halloween.
My lips are crusty as hell.
Halloween party.
Yeah, so something that's quick and that is easy. I'm gonna open this because I'm gonna be
such a cheater.
I'm really nervous. Okay, all right, ready?
Okay, so bitch, you have stuff in your hands already. And go.
I don't even have a mirror. I'm just done. I probably should bronze my face because I'm like super pale, but then again, like bunnies are white, so like
not
pale.
all.
Oh no, I'm using water activated paint, so I have to like activate my paint.
Ricky. We're so quiet this time.
Because I'm gonna win.
I think I'm gonna smoke your ass even on your channel.
Okay. What's wrong with you?
I look like I have a bronzer helmet on. It makes sense. I'm a deer.
I know. That's what when I used to do the deers. Since it's so outdated. These are cute. Oh gosh, hopefully this shows up over the white. Oh, it did.
Okay, but like.
Okay, but like time check or not?
Nah.
I don't know what to do. I haven't done my eyes.
Neither have
I don't know how to turn your phone on.
Woo! 306.
Left?
Yeah. This paint probably was not the best idea. Oh my god.
What?
I love how we're literally so quiet this time.
I haven't even looked at you.
Holy fuck, how much time is left? 2 minutes?
Turn this off.
We're literally silent this time. I'm at 39.
What the fuck is my lash glue working? I don't even know which one goes in what eye.
You just spit all over me.
I'm so glad that happened. Oh my gosh.
Bitch, mustache who?
Ah!
51 seconds. What the fuck?
I would have lash glue on my finger and not be able to do these ones. Oh my gosh, this is what I get for using lashes that I've never used before. What the hell?
The one that never wears lashes suddenly wants to wear lashes for a freaking...
I'm shaking so bad I can't.
Yeah, so am I. My nose isn't dark enough.
Oh my gosh.
Should just no mascara.
Oh! Oh, you look pretty good. Oh, it's
My eyes burn.
Yours looks pretty good.
Thanks. Hold on,
like...
watch. Give me...
Oh, with your wet hair.
Give me 20 more seconds, bitch.
Are you giving us some ear action? What's going on there? Why am I holding a lipstick cap?
Because I dropped it.
You work fast. Damn.
All white.
Oh, the one white one. Gotta match the other one.
G2G, gotta go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so anyways. Alright guys, that was our 5-minute, what do you think? I feel like you did pretty good again.
You like?
I feel like we did better than last time.
100%.
Well,
I will
too, we
give
didn't
you
have to
that
put
you
foundation.
have color on your face now. I'll give you that much.
Yeah, I have blush.
Mm-hmm.
And I did a wing liner and lashes
Mm-hmm.
that I couldn't get on. What the heck? I've
Yeah,
never
they're
used
still not on.
this brand before, and they're too flimsy. There's not enough structure, so I could not get them on to save my life.
What color did you use here? Black or gray?
Gray.
Okay. I was like, your black's faded.
No,
Clocked.
it's a gray wolf paint.
Clocked. It's cute.
Yours is
Where'd your
cute
top
too.
lip go?
Bunnies don't have one. They're teeth.
So where are your teeth at?
I already have bunny teeth.
Oh, she needs teeth. I forgot.
What is that?
Spooky season.
What is that? They're not for real. I don't like
They're
that.
teeth.
What the fuck do you have teeth? Why do you have teeth?
Because spooky season.
You know why it's freaking me out so much? Because I just watched the movie Halloween, and the guy kills someone and like rips their teeth out, and he's like crunching it and like throwing the teeth into the stall, and it's gross. Oh, they're yellow too.
Just place 1 and 1.
We got a rabbit! I don't know if that was English. Why the? Oh gosh.
Bitch, I said we got a rabbit.
Ew, that's really gross. She literally has a thing of teeth. Nasty. Look at that! What, were you gonna do a look with teeth?
Yeah, but I couldn't figure out how to get them to stick.
Alright guys, well I feel
I
like
have
we...
to close my liner.
Oh my gosh.
And my lipstick.
Yeah, I was holding the cap for some reason. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I feel like we both did pretty good, honestly. Comment down below whose video? Psh. Well, anyways, if you guys would like to watch her video, actually, since I'm saying that, down below I will put a link to her video and her channel as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to Aimee as well. I'm sure you guys will be seeing us on each other's stuff more. I mean, we already are always with each other at events and such, so you guys are going to be seeing her more on my channel. You will see more cross stuff with us. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment who you think did better. But yeah, so anyways, comment that down below. Leave us any suggestions for future videos. Who do you think did this better? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babies.
Bye.
Mwah.